Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about our chapter number 6, rural development. This is also the one big challenge of our Indian economy, to develop the rural areas. In this chapter simply we will discuss about the five major topics here. The first one is the concept of the rural development. The concept of the rural development. Second one, we will discuss about the credit system and marketing system in the rural areas. In the third point, we will discuss about the agriculture marketing system, that which kind of the marketing system is adopted in the agriculture activities. In the fourth one point, we will discuss about the diversification into the productive activities. It means that to diversify the agriculture activities and expanding them to the different the another one non-farming activities. Then fifth one, we will discuss about the sustainable development and the organic farming there. Okay. In the introduction of the chapter, I can say that why this concept is came into the existence for the rural development, that there should be a requirement of the development of the rural areas. No doubt, in the previous chapters, we have studied that even in the economic reforms, there were the major focus was done on the industrial sector, not on the agriculture sector. Why I am asking about the agriculture sector? Because of the agriculture sector is the main source of the livelihood in the rural areas. And no doubt, if we can say that if we want to get our real growth of our Indian economy, then there is always a requirement of the improvement, or we can say there is always a requirement of the development of the, not only the development of the industrial sector, there is always a requirement of the development of rural areas also, right? So simply we can say our overall development of our nation is mainly depend upon the development of the rural areas. And why we are paying attention on it? The reason is behind of that, that our two-third population of our Indian economy is still mainly depend upon the agriculture, and one third of the rural India people are still living in the poverty. It means below the poverty line. This is the major reason that we just have to see a developed rural India. If we want to get the overall developed economy, there must be a proper focus must be done on the growth of the agriculture sector also. But as per the spending of time, completion of time, we can see very well that the agriculture sector contribution to GDP was on a decline. But still, the population depend upon this sector didn't show any different kind of change, we can say. As well as जो भी reforms implement किए गए 1991 में, still the growth rate of agriculture sector was only up to the nearby the 3%. As well as there was a decline in the investment of in 1991 even. So these are the main reasons, so that we should focus on the rural development. So now we will discuss about the concept of the rural development, that what is the meaning of the rural development, what is the requirement of the rural development. The first one topic in this chapter, we will study about the concept of rural development. As per our simple opinion, we can say, what do you mean by the rural development? The rural development means to develop the rural areas. In simple language, हम ये कह सकते हैं कि rural areas को develop करना क्या माना जाएगा? Rural development. But simply in a proper official language, we can call it like this, that it is a means it means a plan of action for the development of rural areas which are lagging behind in socio-economic development. कि ये एक ऐसा plan of action है जो mainly किसके चीज के लिए किया जा रहा है? For the development of the rural areas, जो mainly हमारी overall socio-economic development की terms में बहुत ज्यादा पीछे हैं. Like we can say, due to which reason inadequate infrastructure is there, कोई employment opportunities नहीं है industries के अंदर, service sector में, और जो employees हैं उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा casual employees अपॉइंट किए जाते हैं इन दोनों सेक्टर से. दैट्स व्हाई इट जस्ट क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर द रूरल डेवलपमेंट. सो we can also see these things from the concept of the increasing stress among the farmers also, that day by day जो farmers हैं they are just facing so many kinds of the problems. Even in, we can see the growth rate of the agriculture output during the time period of 2007 to 12 was only 3.2%. But as compared to our population, which is mainly depend upon the agriculture for the survival, this is not sufficient. So there is a urgent requirement in order to develop the rural areas. And if the agriculture will develop, ultimately the rural areas will also be developed. Not only the agriculture, there should be some extension of the non-farming activities in order to improve the rural areas. So we will discuss the what are the key issues in the rural development, कि क्या किया जाना चाहिए rural areas को develop करने के लिए, the simple thing. Some of the areas no doubt which are challenging, जिसमें immediate step adopt करने की जरूरत है, what are that, which are that areas? The first one area is there, that is the development of the human resource. सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए, human resource को develop करना चाहिए in the terms of basically two things, which are that the literacy and health. The literacy and health, but the literacy especially in case of the female, कि फीमेल की लिटरेसी, उनकी एजुकेशन, उनकी स्किल्स को डेवलप किया जाए, सो दैट द रूरल एरियाज कैन बी डेवलप्ड. और एज वेल एज अगर हेल्थ की बात की जाए तो दोनों फैसिलिटीज, इधर द पब्लिक हेल्थ और द सैनिटेशन फैसिलिटीज, बोथ ऑफ दीज मस्ट बी improved. After that, second one are the land reforms. Land reforms means the system of the land settlement, we can say land revenue settlement, or the distribution of the land among the farmers. It must be changed. It must be implemented in such a manner so that the output can be increased. After that, the development of the productive resources of each locality. दैट कि कुछ कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्टिव रिसोर्सेज को डेवलप किया जाए कि रूरल एरियाज की पब्लिक के पास रेदर देन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज के अलावा भी और ऑप्शन इंक्लूड हो. देन द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को डेवलप किया जाए, स्पेशली वी कैन से कि इन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लाइक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इरिगेशन, क्रेडिट फैसिलिटीज, मार्केटिंग फैसिलिटीज, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटीज, विलेज के रोड्स को बनाया जाए, फीडर रोड्स को बनाया जाए नियर बाय हाईवेज, फैसिलिटीज क्रिएट की जाए एग्रीकल्चर के रिसर्च एक्सटेंशन के लिए, उनको इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड की जाए रिगार्डिंग देयर वर्क. So these kinds of the development of infrastructure must be done in order to promote the overall development of rural areas. Then कुछ specific measures adopt किए जाए for which objective? For the removal of poverty. और कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट की जाए लोगों की वीकर सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी के लिविंग कंडीशंस की, कि वो जिस सिचुएशन में रह रहे हैं उनको ओवरऑल प्रमोट किया जाए, एम्फेसिस किया जाए कि उनके लिए ऐसी एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्रिएट की जाए जो उन्हें इनकम प्रोवाइड कर सके. नो डाउट वी कैन से ऑल दीज मीन्स जो भी हमने डिस्कस किए हैं, पीपल आर एंगेज्ड इन फार्मिंग एंड नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज इन रूरल एरिया, उन सभी को प्रोवाइड किए जाएं so that it will ultimately help them in order to increase the productivity. And as well as इन चीजों से ये भी उन्हें हेल्प मिले कि वो अपनी एक्टिविटीज को और ज्यादा डाइवर्सिफाई कर सकें, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज को एक्सपेंड कर सकें, नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज को भी, लाइक फूड प्रोसेसिंग. With the help of this, they will be able to get the more affordable healthcare, sanitation facilities अपने workplace पे मिले उन्हें, so that they will be able to get a better working life. Education उन्हें अच्छी मिले, so that the people will be able to get the more highly great jobs, we can say. The more things can be developed there. So these things must be given a priority in order to develop the rural areas, rural development. सो दिस वाज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ द रूरल डेवलपमेंट, कि जिसमें मेनली रूरल डेवलपमेंट का मीनिंग क्या होता है और गवर्नमेंट को मेनली रूरल एरियाज को डेवलप करने के लिए कौन कौन से ऐसे एरियाज हैं जहां पर फोकस करना पड़ेगा, जहां पर उसे मेजर लेवल पर अटेंशन देने की जरूरत है इन द ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द रूरल एरियाज।